What if the phone in your pocket right now stopped evolving 10 years ago? Hardware peaked in 2010, then AI quietly hijacked the slab and turned it into an autonomous creator opera. Stick around, because by the end you'll see why the 2030 model won't even need a better camera or battery. It'll just need better prompts. Let's rewind to 2000. You're holding a Nokia 3310 or maybe a Flip with a tiny monochrome screen. Calling, texting, Snake if you're lucky. The hardware was the whole product. No apps, no internet worth using, just a brick that survived being dropped from orbit. Fast forward to 2010. The iPhone 4 lands with that Retina display, the first real front and back cameras, and a processor that finally made touch feel instant. This is the peak. Every physical spec that matters, screen density, build quality, antenna design, hit its practical ceiling right here. After this point, companies stopped chasing thinner or tougher and started chasing software illusions instead. Now, jump to 2020. Same rectangle, slightly better glass, 5G slapped on as marketing. The hardware barely moved. What changed? Layers of AI started writing your emails, suggesting your replies, and editing your photos before you even opened the app. The phone became a window into an invisible creator system that lived in the cloud. Here's the twist that flips the nostalgia script. By 2030, the physical device is just a dumb terminal. The real product is the AI layer that generates entire videos from a single voice note, designs your outfits, and negotiates your calendar while you sleep. The slab in your hand won't get a revolutionary new sensor. It'll get a revolutionary new model that thinks for you. But wait, what about battery life and durability? We'll circle back to that in a second. First, consider the creator economy angle. In 2010, you still needed a separate camera and editing suite. By 2020, the phone could shoot 4K, but the AI was already auto-color grading and removing backgrounds. In 2030, you won't shoot footage at all. You'll describe the scene and the AI will render it straight onto your timeline, synced to your voice and mood. The hardware is just the canvas. The AI is the entire studio. Remember that battery question? Here's the answer. Once the AI lives mostly off-device and only syncs small context windows, your 2030 phone can sip power like a 2010 feature phone while delivering 2010 level performance in a body that never needs charging for days. The physical limits stop mattering because the intelligence isn't running on the slab anymore. So the next time someone complains that phones haven't changed since 2015, smile. They're right. And that's exactly the point. The revolution moved upstairs into the AI creator layer, and the hardware became background noise.